N113 series fridge. To start off with, we've got the power button on the left hand side. We hold it down to turn on and the display comes on for a few seconds to confirm the settings. The display's now gone off and we've got a small green light just here to show that the fridge is operating. If we want to change the setting, we hold down this grey button, the screen comes back on, the power option is now flashing. So that's the electric symbol flashing. If I press this arrow, it goes to vehicle battery, then to gas, then back to mains again. If we want to select gas, we scroll on to gas, press the grey button. It asks us to confirm the temperature we'd like, so we're going to put this on full. It's already on full. If you want to change the setting, you just use the arrows. Then you press the grey button again to confirm. The display lights up for a few seconds to show you your choices, and now it's gone back off. Again, if we want to put it onto vehicle battery, we hold the grey button down, select vehicle battery, choose our temperature again. You'll notice now that it's flashing at us and we've got a red flashing light inside the power button. That means we've got an error. The error is we've asked for vehicle battery and this Caravan isn't currently plugged into a vehicle. If we hold down the grey button again, select mains, grey to confirm again, the light comes on and then shortly it will turn off. We always get a green light in here to show that everything's operating as it should do.